What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm here at Adidas' flagship store in New York on 5th Avenue. And I've got a really exciting package. I have no idea what's inside, so why don't we pop this guy open and see what we've got. That's crazy. Let's find out what's actually inside this box. We've got a nice little panel. This is sick. Goodbye gravity. Oh, these are sick. These must be the UltraBoost 20. The UltraBoost are my absolute favorite running sneaker of all time. So I'm excited about this. I think the colorway is awesome. You've got this black upper with the Adidas and International Space Station logo right there on the tongue. And then on the upper of the sneaker is covered in black Primeknit, and then you've got this tailored fiber placement around the toe for added stability and added durability. On the bottom of the sneaker, you've got this Continental outsole, and it's really durable because Continental rubber is actually the same rubber that's used on tires, so this should last you a very long time. And then my favorite part, the Boost, which actually comes in this sort of iridescent purple and blue Boost midsole. And I mean, that's pretty much just a quick overview of the sneaker, so why don't we throw these guys on feet and see how they look. Huge thank you to Adidas NYC for having me out to their flagship location to unbox this insane package and for letting me check out these sneakers early. I'm really excited about these. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.